If you are looking for an awesome metal detector, you're going to want to check this one out. This is what it looks like right over here. It was super easy to put together. You're also going to get this shovel that comes with it, this case. It also has a carrying strap as well, which is really nice. Really cool. So to power this on, we're just going to hit that right over there. We got this nice little adjustable wrist thing, so we can put our hand in there. If you wanted to rest your wrist just like that. So let's go around and see if we can find anything. So you can see right over here the different stuff it's going to find. So you could definitely do different things right over here. So we're going along here, not really finding anything. We go over here, you'll see this is metal. It is detecting it right now, so it'll give you like 64%. So that's a really high score instead of just having, you know, just your regular nail. Just really like this a lot. If you're into metal detecting, going to a beach or doing whatever, super lightweight, easy to take apart, easy to put in the case as well. Really like this a lot, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.